Alright, in this section we're going to take a look at creating some maps from what we've done, but before we do that I did think of one more thing I wanted to do. So I'm going to create one more multi-normal so that I have access to my tools. And I'm going to come over and I am going to create a text file. Alrighty, let's see here. Let's make this the ubiquitous section 7. Let's slant this down. And now you can see we can also place text in on our normal maps. So I'm pretty pleased with all that. So now I'm going to come up, pull down my file menu, and I'm going to go to Map Converter. That's going to bring up this lovely little dialog. And it's set on normal, but depending on what kind of map that you've created, you can also convert to a normal. But we made a normal, so I'm going to grab an AO and a diffuse and a specular. And since we have this on our active dock, I'm going to click active dock. And then we're going to let Endu go to work. Now I will pause the recording because this will take just a little bit of time, most likely, or I can jab around and be just about there. For the moment, let's pause. Alright, so that's finished running, and as you can see, we have the normal map we created. And Quixel has also created an ambient occlusion map, a specular map, and a diffuse map like I asked it to. And of course, now that these are created, you can always play around with them a little bit. For example, the specular map, I am going to go ahead and lighten that up a bit. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that. And of course our diffuse, as you can see, we didn't have any color in our normal map, so it did not create a diffuse color map for us. But that's alright. When we get to our dedo section, we're going to deal with that. So for now, I'm going to save out all of these as targas. I already saved them out as PSD files in case I want to go back and play with them later. It's always a good idea to keep a file of your original work. But for now, I will save these out as targas, and that will complete our work in Endu, which, as you can see, has given us an outstanding map. And I will see you in the next training for dedo. Thanks for watching.